So I'm recording this quick video to say that today was the first time that I presented the first edition of my workshop related to metacognition, in which I present the 10 questions I asked myself in order to understand how I learned the languages of English and French. And it was very interesting for me to see that the participants were eager to also express their thoughts and how they see this topic. It's very curious because they said that they never had this experience before, in which the, let's say, element of metacognition was taken into account. And I think that it shows that people want to talk more about how they feel and about how they want to learn. So it is very interesting to see that out in the wild and out in discussions. So I was very happy to spark this discussion today. Uh, it is important to say that it was a very quick workshop, and hopefully with my colleagues we are going to present something more. I mean wider and more engaged, and yeah, I will hopefully I will present the results perhaps in a couple of weeks. I don't know, after Easter holidays. But yeah, it was a very exciting experience. So I just wanted to share that. And yes, I just want to say that if thoughts out there that don't make sense, but or at least don't make sense for others, but that makes sense for you, you should follow them if they allow you to learn more about the languages and how you use them. So that's it. So see you later. Bye.